Hello guys, welcome to part 3 of modeling a LowPolyCar model. Today we set lightings and render settings, so let's get started. First add a plane as a background and press tab to go to edit mod, select the two edges, and debevel it, then shade it smooth. Now add a camera and move it around till you get your desired view. Now go to Shading tab, add a dark bluish color to the floor. Now add lights to the scene until you get a nice and cute view, and also turn on the shadow option in the light properties and lower the biased value for more realistic view. Now in render settings, turn on ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space, reflect ins and refraction shadows, and at the bottom of the tab turn the textures to high contrast and make RGB to standard or filmic. This will give quite realistic render. Now render the image. This will give you the result. Hope you enjoys it. Stay connected to learn more. Thank you and consider following me.